How important is the membrane?
Installing the proper membrane is extremely important. It acts as an insurance mechanism for you, the homeowner, in the long run. It prevents moisture from entering your home. It is also very important that you install the correct membrane. It needs to be waterproof and breathable and withstand a high temperature. You always want to ensure that you're getting a Class A rating. Oftentimes, installers will prevent from using this type of membrane to cut costs. We do not advise you do that at any point.